Stevens Elementary in Northwest Houston's Oak Forest neighborhood is becoming a success story. Once rated an F, the school has climbed to a C and is aiming for an A, powered by its STEAM magnet programs. That's what Principal Tarren Ellison and I talked about during my visit. What would you attribute, number one, what would you attribute the success y'all saw recently, and what are you going to do to get to that A?
So our campus did go NES within the past year, and so we contribute a lot of our success to that. And to get that A, we are going to focus on supporting our EB students. So our campus is 51% emerging bilingual. And so we are really focusing on what does it look like to provide high quality education for those kiddos. So us being a STEAM magnet program, we're just very intentional about embedding the 5 components of STEAM into our curriculum and into our electives courses, and then in addition to our DIAD classes. So we have everything from our makerspace class to karate happening here on campus. You'll see that kids are learning about science and then learning the 5 E's in science, but then they're also in dance class and learning about karate through our DIAD courses.
School leaders say this progress is just the beginning of an even bigger climb ahead.
1, 2, 3. Science!